Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Rewrite the Stars on piano. We will begin by focusing on the right-hand melody, breaking it down into manageable sections. Next, we will explore the foundational left-hand chords that accompany the tune. Finally, I will guide you through combining both hands smoothly and offer effective practice techniques to master this beautiful song. Let's get started. For the right hand, we will concentrate on the iconic verse melody. Begin with your thumb, finger 1, on middle C, then move to D with finger 2 and E with finger 3. The rhythm is mostly eighth notes, so count 1 and 2 end as you play. Practice this section repeatedly until it feels natural and smooth. Remember, slow and steady practice builds muscle memory effectively. Now, let's move to the left hand, which provides the harmonic foundation. The song primarily uses 4 chords: C major, G major, a minor, and F major. Start by playing these in root position, using fingers 5, 3, and 1. Focus on transitioning smoothly between each chord, ensuring a consistent rhythm. Practice each chord change 10 times before moving to the next. Finally, it's time to combine both hands. Start at a very slow tempo, perhaps half your desired speed, focusing on synchronizing the right-hand melody with the left-hand chords. If you encounter difficulty, isolate the problematic measure and practice it separately. Aim for consistent, short practice sessions, perhaps 15 minutes each day, to build proficiency and confidence over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.